Exercise 1.2. First question. Write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7, difference is minus 10 and sum is 0. Answer. We must get sum of two integers as minus 7. So one such pair whose sum is minus 7 is minus 5 plus minus 2 is equals to minus 7. As plus into minus is minus, minus 5 minus 2 is equals to minus 7. And 2. Difference is minus 10. One such pair whose difference is minus 10. Minus 2 minus 8 is equals to minus 10. One such pair whose sum is 0. They asked two integers whose sum is 0. Then minus 5 plus 5 is equals to 0. Otherwise we can take another integers as minus 4 plus 4 0 and any other integers also. But this is an example for these questions. Question number 2. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Both the integers must be negative integers and their difference must be 8. As given, minus 2 minus minus 10 is equals to minus 2 minus into minus plus, so that minus 2 plus 10 is equals to 8. Second one. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose is minus 5. Minus 7 plus minus 2 is equals to minus 5. They asked whose sum is minus 5, so that we can take any other integers or these integers too, so that minus 7 plus minus 2 is equals to minus 5. And third, write a negative integers and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. A negative integer and a positive integer, both difference must be minus 3, so that minus 2 minus 1 is equals to minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1 is equals to minus 3. Question number 3. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10 and 0 and team B scores 10, 0, minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Answer. Team A scored minus 40, 10, 0. Total score of team A is minus 40 plus 10 plus 0 is minus 30 and team B scored 10, 0, 40. Total score of team B is equals to 10 plus 0 plus minus 40 is equals to minus 30. Thus, scores of both team A and B are same. They asked, can we say that we can add integers in any order? Yes, we can add integers in any order due to the commutative property. Question number 4. Filling the blanks to make the following statements true. There are some statements and blanks given in these statements. We must fill these blanks to make the statement true. First statement is minus 5 plus minus 8 is equals to minus 8 plus blank. In this blank, we must fill as minus 5 plus minus 8 is equals to minus 8 plus minus 5. In this blank we get minus 5 as it is a commutative property a plus b is equals to b plus a. Second one, minus 53 plus dash is equals to minus 53. As we know, if we add 0 to the any integer, we get the same integer as the answer. So here 0 is possible, 0 additive property. Third one, 17 plus dash is equals to 0. As we know, sum of an positive integer and a negative integer is 0. So that here 17 is given. In this blank we get minus 17. So that we get sum as 0. Fourth one, 13 plus minus 12 plus dash is equals to 13 plus minus 12 plus 7. As here in the bracket 13 and 12 are there, and in other side 12 and 7 is there. Here the missing one is 13, so that we can replace this blank with the 7. This is because of associative property A plus B of C. Then in other side A plus B and C in the bracket. This property is suitable here. And fifth one, minus 4 plus in the bracket 15 plus minus 3, and on other side in the bracket minus 4 plus 15 plus blank. Here 4 is given on both sides and 15 is given. The remaining is minus 3. This is also belongs to a property, associative property.